Out of 181 galleons, 176 was made here in the Philippines. So this part of the museum is called the Pillars of Exchange. We have 10 monumental. They are actually from the Americas, not in the Philippines. So it's just called Magkwadro Manila because Manila, during the time, was the epicenter. So the sun shows like this from China will go here in Manila, and then all the sun